Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and right now let's tap on the security. Here in the device security section we've got the fingerprint, so simply tap on it, and here we've got the very first step of adding the fingerprint. So here we have to choose an additional screen lock. We can choose the pattern pin or password, and it is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device, because if not, then you will have to go through whole hard reset operation, and then you will have to wipe all the data, and including your personal data. So just make sure that you will remember it and just pick the option you'd like the most. So I will pick the pattern. Just tap on the option you'd like to set, and here we have to draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Now we can decide where we want to show actually on the lock screen, so we can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick the second option, so since it is marked, I can tap on next. Here we've got the info that we will be able to unlock our device with the fingerprint, but also we will be able to authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So just tap on next. And right now we have to touch the sensor, and the sensor is located on the back of our device, so let me show it to you. It's right here. So let me put my finger on it. Okay, and since you can feel the vibration, all you have to do is put your finger multiple times on the sensor in order to add the fingerprint fully. And as you can see, it is very easy. We just added our fingerprint to this device. If you'd like to, you can add another just by tapping here. If not, tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint options. We can turn it on or off just by tapping on this switcher. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon or tap on it and rename it. So let me do it. I will rename my fingerprint. Let's tap on OK. What's more, we can add fingerprint just by tapping on this option. Under it, we've got some options and some apps which we can secure with our fingerprint. So we can secure camera, phone or back. And obviously, if you'd like to, for example, secure the camera, just make sure that this option will be marked, but I don't want to do that, so I will leave it like this. So actually, this is the whole process of adding the fingerprint. So right now, let's check if it will actually work. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. I felt a vibration, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, we can unblock it and another way. We just put the pattern, we just set the pattern, so we can also use it to unblock it. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.